Fact 12. Did you know that Port Royal, which is a quiet village in Kingston, Jamaica, was once known as the wickedest city? Yeah, wickedest city in the world. It was taken over by the nefarious deeds of pirates back in the 17th century. And of course, you know about the notorious governor, buccaneer man there, Henry Morgan. Yes, Captain Henry Morgan. Yes, and then many, many years after that, Port Royal had an earthquake that destroyed a lot of this little village. So yes, we have that notoriety, but thank heavens, it's now a quiet place, a lovely place to be. You ever go there yet? It's lovely. Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?